Hi. I have my goldfish in the back. Yes, I do eat goldfish at home too. It's not just a snack in school. I wanted to drop in to say hello, to let you know that I miss you and to talk about a couple things. There's a lot going on in the world right now, and you might be aware of it. There is a reason that I'm sharing all these different books with you from kids from different backgrounds and from different cultures. And it's because it's really important that we treat each other with respect. This is something that you guys already know. On the first day of school, in that first week when we first met, we made a class charter, a list of things that you told me and the rest of your classmates what the most important things you felt were in school and outside of school. And the first thing, the main message that I heard over and over again that we wrote down and we signed on was respect. Treat others the way that you want to be treated, which means with respect. Keep your hands to yourself, stay safe, be nice to your teachers, be nice to your classmates, be nice to your friends, be nice to people that aren't your friends. You guys came up with that, not me. I agree with it. I do. And I would have told you to do it anyway. But this is a very, very important message that you came up with, and I'm so proud of you for coming up with, but that we definitely need to continue. You matter. You're so loved, and you will always be loved. You're important. And I hope that you know that. It doesn't matter what your skin color is. It doesn't matter what color your hair is. If it's long like mine, or if it's super short, or if it's really curly. Oh, I wish I had curly hair. If you're a boy, if you're a girl, if you love sports, if you don't love sports, it's what matters is the goodness in your heart and that you stay positive and that you stay kind. And I know that you know to do those things. And I have seen you guys do it. But I just need to remind you to keep up the good work with that. Okay. I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.